What's the most ridiculous dating preference you've heard of? 1. I work with someone who only wants to marry someone from her church, not her faith, her physical church of 20 people. 2. A buddy of mine said he only wanted to date Korean girls. One of our mutual friends at college tried to set him up with her roommate who was an exchange student from Korea. The next day she asked him if they were going to see each other again and he said no, she didn't fit his standards. Turns out the only Korean women he wanted were K-pop idols. 3. A woman I knew mentioned she was looking for a man who made at least $500K a year, and was also an artist type and not a workaholic. I was like, I think those items are in conflict, sweet thing. My friend claims to only want to date Japanese girls, despite not living in Japan or any community with a Japanese population. Furthermore, he has never even met a Japanese girl. His opinion is based solely on watching anime. 5. His girlfriend could only be somebody virgin. By the way, he is 35 years old and effed over 100 girls. Cause in case of having kids, kids will not have DNA leftovers from her ex-partners. His dating